All right, so this is a quick run through of how to use Notion to comment on a document. Notion is a free website. Now, we have paid accounts in our office at the ODTL, but to interact with Notion, to view a page, that is completely free. You do not need to sign up for a paid account, but you do need to sign up for a free account if you would like to comment on them. So the way one would do this, I'm just going to go through the process of creating a free account. I'm going to hit login. Now, I will edit this out, but I'm going to log in with a Google account of mine. That's my own personal account. If I wanted, I could, this is an old email account of mine. I can continue with an email, and it will send you a temporary sign-up code. So I've been emailed a sign-up code. I'm going to put that in there, and I'm going to hit create new account. You get to fill out some personal details, and you can set a password. Continue. Let's say for school. You could click any of those, doesn't really matter. Okay, so now I am in Notion. I have my own account. You'll see it's a free plan. I'm not paying for it. You can see the email address it's associated with. You can use the Loyola address if you'd like. You are welcome to do that. And it is, the reason I did not is because I have my paid account through there, so I couldn't run through this process, but you're welcome to use your Loyola address. Okay, so I've received this link from the ODTL. This is a course outline. It's great, very thorough, as always, from the ODTL, and I can see it, but say I want to comment on it. What you can do is you can log in with it, and you can just hit comment. And at this point, I can now comment on anything in this document. I can comment on, say, hey, this assignment right here, I don't really like it. I want to comment on it. Not a fan of this assignment here. And you hit upload. And at this point, it'll say not a fan of this assignment here, and you'll see who it was from. That's all you need to comment on an assignment or on a document in Notion.